So today guys, I attempted to do a wash and go on natural 4C hair that is dried. Okay, so I went in with my Style Gel, as you guys will see in the video, and this is the result that I got. Okay, looking like an African princess and things. So if you guys are interested in this video, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. My hair was washed yesterday, so I only have in my leave-in conditioner, which is the cream of nature with argan from Morocco. This one here. So that's the only product that is in my hair right now, so I'm going to proceed and moisturize my hair, and then I get into doing the wash and go on my dry hair. Today I will be moisturizing with the Contour Shea Butter Daily Oil Moisturizer. Then I'll be sealing this in with the castor oil drops. It smells so good. So today for my wash and go, I'll be using the Style Gel, and this is in argan oil. So we're gonna start. So normally when I do my wash and goes, my hair shrinks a lot. Like it shrinks all the way up to like right here. And this is the length that I have right now. My hair is stretched, right? So let's see if this will prevent my hair from shrinking all the way up. I don't know, since there's no water in the process. Well, I mean the gel, it does has water in it, but let's see if that will be reduced. I'm just gonna go in. This is my first time ever trying this method also, so let's see what happens. Ooh, so that's what it's looking like. You guys can see. It is shrinking up just a tad. So I am taking large sections, as you can see, and I'm using about this amount of product on each part. Hope you guys can see that. So my hair is shrinking up. I wish it would just stay like this. Like seriously, look at that. And this is the one I did before. Like it's shrinking up, but not to the max that it would normally shrink if my hair was like super duper wet. So that dry time will not take as long as it normally does when my hair is wet. Okay, and my hair is fine, so it doesn't really take that long to dry either. So I'm just applying that one. To be gentle here because my hair is actually knotting up right there. So my hair is shrinking like a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. I wanted to do like a style in the front. Should I do that? I don't know yet. What time is it? It is now 10:41. So let's see how long this is gonna take me. So this style is if you're like in a rush and you don't have time to wash your hair, or if you're just lazy, can't bother to do your hair, you can do this as a styling method. Wow, look at those curls, man, like they are defined. So I don't need water to do a wash and go. All right. Alright guys, so this is my hair all dried. It did not take too long to dry up. Hope you guys can see that. Let me adjust my camera. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like. It is almost like 100% dry, probably like 98% dry. So I'm just using my comb to kind of give my hair a little bit of volume. I mean, that's dry. Well, it does has moisture in it, but oh my god, the shrinkage is real, guys. Like, I wish my hair would just stay down, but no, it just want to shrink up. But I know that over time the hair will start stretch out, but this is first day hair, so that's when maximum shrinkage is there. So I'm just puffing up my hair a little. I do have my hair back because I don't like the way it looks with my hair down in my face like that. So like the curl definition is so pretty. Like, I hope you guys can see that. Okay, so this was a wash and go on dry short natural hair, guys, and this is the result that I got. I'm just gonna add a little headband to my hair to pizzazz it up a little bit more. So I have this here. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. Okay, so it's not bad. I really do wish my hair would just stay straight. I would have to apply heat to my hair for it to have just a little bit more length, but I don't want to add heat to my hair, so this is what I'm working with. It's not bad actually. To me, it would just be easier to just go in when your hair is wet, but if your hair is already dry, it is possible to get a wash and go on dry hair. Hopefully, like when my hair gets longer, because I am at a little past shoulder length, so hopefully my hair gets longer, I can just, you know, have my hair down and flowing and whatever, you know. So so this is the final result, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.